Ryu had set it up to work.
I
hope he just gets one shot. That'd be great. So anticlimactic. I'm sure he's a lot stronger now, so it might be a bit more of a fight, but either way, I think it'd be hilarious.
I'll give him props.
I don't think anyone's worried.
Oh, you saw Yo!
Half of them were smiling.
I didn't really pay attention to that last week.
He's thinking of running.
Dude. And I'm getting the Three Tails chilling now. That's what I like.
He may be able to take on maybe Rimuru. At the very least, I don't think it's gonna be.
Get that shit out of here. Dodge what? That man's not dodging that.
But not gonna happen.
Makes sense.
Interesting. Okay.
Yeah, he's just gonna absorb
He's
the
gonna
thing.
absorb
Okay, too bad. You're smoke screen, my guy.
Of course.
Belzebub is the upgraded
already over.
Oh, the OP drop too. Oh, let's go.
Stole my barrier technique.
Yo, he got and he took the barrier. I'm dead.
Boy.
Who are you looking for? Who are you looking for, my guy?
Hell yeah.
You can't get out.
Alright, I was thinking maybe his buff was gonna be enough to fight Rimuru, but maybe not.
At least give us some fight. Do something worthy of the fight.
That's fancy.
Just stay with the fucking.
Maybe this buff wasn't as big as I thought it was gonna
That shit looked
be.
kind of sick. I
Demon
don't even want to
Blaster.
compliment it, but that attack looks sick.
Yo.
It's not touching him though.
And unfortunately, most attacks just don't work on Rimuru. Because I guess that's fair.
Like you're trying to get away.
My ultimate technique got swallowed.
Okay.
Teach attack against
Not gonna lie,
it's
pretty
hyped
That's part of
with this.
Clayman, dude.
No,
Koyasu
just
is a
background check
legend.
here.
And this is
Maybe you should announce that.
Yet again. Nails the cat.
By a
Clayman is
lot,
trash.
apparently. Man, I thought this upgrade would be
I'll give you a
stronger than it was. I guess I was super wrong about that.
Yes, you're a very dead man.
He's just gonna fucking one punch him.
Strike.
Oh
You
my
gotta get
Just
God.
just like a three-horse punch, just enough to fucking hit him.
It's clobbering.
It's not even like using ability, he's just beating the shit out of him, which I'm good.
Now he's just crazy.
He's like, I don't need a
He's
sword.
punching the shit out of
I
him.
can't believe we just
I don't need a
realized
technique.
that.
Look at that, man. He is mumming him. Please.
Get on your knees.
Get fucked, dude. My god.
this is
Not
so
even a competition.
I love it here.
Rimuru is not playing
I
games.
already know the answer.
Do not mock me.
Really?
I respect that.
Can't even
What's
imagine
the
your friends.
definition of
Alright,
betrayal?
then. Bye-bye. Rimuru was gonna get rid of you.
You know what,
I guess it's loyalty.
You know what? At least you ain't snitching. He punched him for 2 days through thought acceleration. 2 days worth of blows?
OP Raphael.
And he did it great
Jesus
mentally.
Christ. You can't revive, bitch.
Is anyone
Say
opposed?
something.
And so I'll take them on.
Kill
Yo,
him.
Rimuru's the
Murder
boss,
this
man.
fool.
He said if you're opposed to this, I'll take you.
We've had enough.
Too bad.
Just
No
that
revive
guy.
for you.
Speak up.
Who's gonna speak up?
This guy.
But he's gonna die either way.
I
Oh
know,
my
but,
God.
Don't think your death will be painless.
At least like Rimuru will like
Hands for your
get some
soul, guys,
information
will
out
feel
of
like
it.
an eternity.
Oh, we had something similar to that when our sword, older sword guy
Fuck man, that tear can't
sliced up
save you.
the other dude.
Well,
Man, he's so
You got too greedy.
I mean, he's thinking of his friends in the
Gasoline
last
made here.
friends in his last moments. Interesting.
that's Clayman.
Bye-bye.
Ryu just won. He just used one move on him.
That's what I've been trying to tell you.
Incinerated.
None of this shit would have happened.
Disintegrated? Disintegrated. That's what I meant to say.
You
Wonder if
should-
Disintegrated is.
Exactly. All you have to do is listen to Lapis. Lapis dope.
Wow.
He's got the
he-
big head,
he
man.
kept his word.
Idiot. Yeah, get fucked, dude. I hate you.
4 minutes?
Oh man.
Episode 48.
He was the bad guy for 2 full seasons, and he's finally dead, and easily too.
Yeah.
Once you get the, if Guy rates you, then Guy rates you.
Are we really gonna spend the rest of the 20 minutes just talking?
We're free.
I love how
The air smells
Joe
good.
can't. Like, I've already forgotten about that.
No.
He gets one rip, and now we move on.
My
It's about to
wife.
be the other way around though. After this.
Bestie.
My bestie.
I'm at this chick.
Well, he'll be friends.
Yeah.
It's so difficult.
Well. Well, she tried.
My boy just wants to go home, dude. He's so tired. Of course, man, I got shit to say about this.
Uh-oh.
Here!
Damn,
Insult
so-
me!
Oh my gosh.
Yo!
Oh, interesting.
That's not even her name,
Oh, because
right?
they know she's the real demon lord. Oh, you see?
No, it's not the
Demon
truth.
Lord
We all
finds
know,
his
we all know
loyal
the
maid.
truth.
That's
We all
not
know the
true.
truth.
You just ruined it!
You just
That's
what I'm saying.
Everybody was
Bro,
I mean, come on.
definitely related, dude.
Everyone was aware.
They're both so fucking stupid. I love how both of them are literally my favorite fucking characters. Smith.
He forgot her name.
Smith.
Uh-oh.
Best, dude.
Uh-oh. You will call me Valentine.
Okay.
Oh, she's pretty clean.
I mean, although I didn't really
I like her
She's
know
the-
who this
design.
girl was.
Dang, she's dope.
Wait, you didn't know
I
that?
think they kind
Wait,
of
I thought you
hinted
did know
at
that.
it very much.
I'm confused now.
Multiple
While they were
strong
entering.
at this point, yes.
Right, I mean, you can't hide it
Yeah, it's
anymore.
fair.
I didn't know.
You were close. You were close.
Yo, he's gonna
It was
forget
Millen
their
that kind of
name.
did it anyway.
Or maybe he won't.
Hmm,
Maybe he won't.
Right, the clown went up against him.
I need more of
that
this
one
character.
time.
I remember.
What do I feel like I recognize
Yeah,
this?
Send that man back.
Oh, he
Oh,
killed
that's
that
right.
demon lord.
Leon was the one that
Oh.
killed us. I forgot about that.
Interesting.
Oh, so it wasn't. Okay, so yeah. Okay, I thought Kazuma was one of the ones out there. Okay.
He still ain't snitch on. You know,
The
he still
Curse
ain't
Lord.
on-
All right. Is that a step above Demon Lord?
Already
Oh,
heard.
Kazalim recommended.
Seems
Kari.
to get recommended. So who recommended Clayman?
She completely forgot who he was.
Meet him.
Exactly.
I mean, she forgets a lot of things. Doesn't
I
she
mean, we
like
know
lost
Kazuma
most of her memory?
So that's
Wasn't
why
that a
I guess
thing?
there needs to be one
That's
more.
probably why Yuki got his spirit inside another body, because he's also a death man.
That's fucking ridiculous.
But he was probably gonna kill him anyway, even if he
I mean,
didn't tell him.
that, based on the information you have, that's a fair enough assumption, right? That's not quite what happened.
Yeah, I was thinking
I'm
Leon
saying,
would
like,
take
I'm
two
just saying,
kind
that's what happened.
Oh, taking status for myself.
No
What?
concern
Yeah.
of mine.
Honestly, I
Yeah,
don't
yeah,
wanna,
we get it.
I really don't want to
You don't
like
care
Leon,
about
man, but he's so
anything.
dope, though. You know what
I
I'm
don't think he
saying?
cares. Yeah.
About that motherfucker.
How apathetic he is about everything
"Em."
that really doesn't concern him is beautiful to watch. I'll fuck with Leo. I don't want to like him, but I really like him.
Close to the truth.
The mind as well as the
So,
body.
you hurt? Alright, listen. The press that was just out of control.
Right.
And you know damn well who that someone has to be. There's no reason to hate Leon.
Why?
That's the shit out of me.
You're a lot stronger
No,
than
the
him
thing
now.
about it is that I kind of agree with what Leon said.
That punch would have killed him before.
He's right though.
Oh yeah,
Maybe
because
shit,
before
like,
she
he's
could have
not responsible for the
You can
outcome
never
of
get
Shion.
replaces.
Yeah.
That's true.
Especially if she
Because he
probably
wasn't.
did that
He was
to him.
Says Shion. She's
Now he has plenty of people who
Oh,
can protect.
Does have a
not
lot of friends that
responsible for what
are
happened to
stronger than you.
Shion, but indirectly he is though. So like part of me
Oh,
still
back to the
does
meeting, I
take
guess.
under
I
this case.
thought it was gonna be over, if I'm being
one.
honest.
Alright.
Yeah.
He's still
Oh yeah, the
Now
meeting.
it's starting. Damn.
Cup is bigger than her.
Real meeting.
Well, they didn't want to have no
Cool.
meeting.
So what now?
Good talk.
Tea time?
Clayman there.
No,
Aw.
That shit is so cute,
Fault.
man. Ronaldo got himself a little companion and shit. I like that. I like that.
Oh,
What?
nice. So she's gonna
Excuse
drop
me?
from a demon
What?
lord and serve
Alrighty.
Alien? What
Is she?
going on?
You didn't woke up for that
Oh my
shit.
gosh! All right. I didn't know you could do that.
After all of
Why is
this,
that?
These people just act like however they want.
what made you decide
I guess in that respect, they
Yeah.
are the most closest to a definition of a demon
Let me
lord,
guess,
eh?
and then she's going to be around.
Well, this is true.
Too weak to be.
She's
Downplaying
gonna be
yourself.
around freaking.
You gotta be stronger than
Demon
Clayman.
as well.
Oh, okay.
That's
After watching
enough.
Clayman get his shit pushed back.
It's a whole harem out here.
Evenly matched. Oh, okay, that's rough. That's rough.
Oh wow.
Fair enough.
So-
I
Against
think
a wing
Frey was
Clayman, you get
Oh,
beat. No,
so
that's
she's
cap.
saying
There's no way.
Clayman would have bodied her.
Yeah,
I
he's
think
awakened.
that
He's
was
awakened
her
form.
specialty.
Well, that's one reason.
Yeah,
but you can't-
Everyone's like,
That's-
what?
Don't
Why?
give her a little bit.
Yeah, I just thought Frey was always kind of the same age as Clayman. So.
I mean, no one should compare themselves to Rimuru. He's pretty.
That's fine.
He's got a lot of stuff.
I might have overrated her slightly. That's fine.
I think this will be good.
That probably will also
She still
help keep
deserves respect
Milam
as far as I'm
in check.
concerned. Having her serve directly under Milam is not a
No,
bad thing.
thank you. I'll skip on that.
Uh-oh.
Bro.
Yo!
Why is everyone doing this?
What is going on?
Amelia's probably
Like I
like,
said,
go
they
ahead.
just do whatever they want to do.
Boss.
Milam literally got
Oh
two
my
ex-demon lords serving.
I
under
mean,
her.
isn't Milam one of the strongest ones? Of course, most of them are gonna lose.
That's a crazy. That's crazy in terms of the power balance.
Yes, that could happen.
Very interesting.
Yeah.
Very sexy as fuck.
So now it'd be
Yeah,
Milam's
expose
job to
yourself.
rebuild
demon
the
lords that
domain,
want
eh?
to go
In
Under
4K.
her.
under her.
They want to relinquish their demon lord stuff.
Okay. I'm just waiting for Leon to say,
Nah, we don't do shit.
do what you guys want to do. I don't care.
You're out of your mind.
Oh,
Aw.
you can do more of that. Yeah, you'd be always together.
That's nice. She was worried about the little simple things that she would lose.
More Milam and Frey Street too.
You ruined our kingdom.
Okay.
You're off.
That's fair.
I don't want to
He's
manipulate.
definitely not gonna let that go. I'm feeling
This is fair.
Yeah, that's the
All right.
I don't even care.
All right, calm down.
Beautiful.
Doing the most.
I love how like all of these movements are inconsequential to Guy.
I'm still really quite
It really
curious.
doesn't
though,
fucking
like,
matter.
Kingdom.
why is there such a big power
That's what's
discrepancy
happening, that's
between all
what's
the demon lords?
And
You would
Wicked
awake.
as a true demon lord?
Interesting.
So I guess
Yo,
they
Okay.
honestly,
We lost 3 demon lords today.
again,
compared to
It should
true
be
demon lords?
obviously
Well, I
that's how it
mean-
works because he
So when Clayman was
They realize
awakened
that they
there,
are
does
a
that
little bit
mean
weaker
that...
than
fucking
everybody
powerful.
else.
But
Yeah, I think that pretty much
this
meant
is
he was a
supposed to
true
be a
demon lord at
counter.
that
He
point.
kinda
Oh,
said
man.
it.
Slim pickings now.
But Guy got the final say when it comes to literally everything.
Yeah.
If it doesn't pass through Guy, like it doesn't happen.
I mean,
8, so there's only
yep.
8.
Or that opens up two spots.
Oh, so that's the
I mean,
episode title?
Demon Lord sounds cool as well.
The crazy.
Octopus something?
Bruh, the name of the
Not a bad
episode,
number.
fucking Octagram.
Because 8.
10 was
yeah.
10 was more standard, but it's not
Demon
bad.
Lord Octagram.
Come up with the name.
Bro, my boy is tired.
That's what you guys all want for
Well, the episode name is called Octagram.
Oh
Yeah,
my
come on,
god, just
I'm
for
sure
Is
I
that what
should
they
do
call
that.
you
Oh,
or
name is
themselves?
crazy, bruh.
Probably.
Do they have nothing better to do? Probably not.
Oh, that's true.
I don't think he's ever named
Well,
anything.
let Rimuru decide. Rimuru does have pretty.
Speaking of which, is
Y'all
Velma?
shut up. Don't be telling them
For
that.
the most part.
Oh, okay. I was like,
No, I guess no, that's not fair. I meant like places, not people.
You do know what you
He's named a lot of people.
Blast.
He's named a lot of monsters.
I don't
think he's
even
named
know.
places before. I think other people have done that mostly.
What just happened?
Fuck.
Oh.
Oh, dang.
What
Okay.
the fuck? He just.
I think just to get
God.
closer.
Yo, just the
happened?
name. What is going on? This is a tremendous honor. Okay.
Oh my gosh. He's like
The nerves
seducing him
going
right now.
on shit.
Oh shit! Oh shit! My boy guy making his move, dude.
Okay, yeah, no,
He's a
it's
lot stronger than
I
It's
get
very intimidating.
Somebody cut the table in half and said,
Damn.
"I'm gonna cut
Leon's
it."
probably happy with this though.
I'm sorry, but
Leon
this
gets a little bit
lad,
of a break.
this lad
I dislike that.
because he can't be fucked
gets a
walking
little bit of a
around.
break from
Like, he wasn't
Seems like
very
everyone else did too.
And
And then he left it like that?
Right? Like just the name they had before.
we're just gonna
That's
keep the
lame,
table
though.
like
That's what the
this.
title for the
Tablet
episode
being the Lord's
comes
Son's name,
Remember,
too.
no one's waiting.
It does, but it's like
Yeah, the 8
y'all
star,
can't just
right?
change the one word to what you had.
Octastar or something?
Yep, here it comes, octagram.
Oh,
Oh, yeah, octagram.
so we're an octagram now?
Okay. Okay, I fuck with it. I actually fuck with
I
it.
don't like it.
That's kind of lit.
I know.
Octagram
That's
actually
the title of
sounds
this
weird.
they have
episode,
a-
too.
They
Everyone
actually
just
have
says
concept
no.
of
Yeah, it sounds like a
Something better.
I like it. I like it.
Star doing words. That's pretty good.
Yeah.
I don't know, I just don't like how
gosh,
it's
it's just
well,
that
opinion
easy.
does not matter, but
Octagram. I don't know if I like that name, man.
seems
to be
like
I
honest.
don't really like
okay.
it.
It's
Bro,
just
every single one
I
coincides
wouldn't have
with
come
this.
up with
I
that.
like the stars thing,
Put
but
your head back down. You ain't even doing nothing.
Trees are problem.
No
Just
shit,
like that,
Mr.
everybody's
Of course you
like,
don't care.
Wow.
This probably earned him more brownie
It is a
points
lit
than
name,
anything else. That
It is a
he
real
does.
name.
What happens when you get a ninth,
Start
though?
the whole band, bro.
He decided to just follow suit.
octagram, the 8-star.
It's a recount for everybody.
The Crimson guy.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Let's
Do
go.
we have to do this
I
just
need
to
see
spend time?
Reincarnated do something.
Mealy
Yeah.
Mouth.
Neely has proved herself too many times already, so she could be a clown.
And the lineup is kind of powerful though.
Vampire.
The Queen of Nightmares.
I wonder why she.
I enjoy her eyes.
Well, they said she disguised her.
Nino.
Let's go, man.
So, man, get over
What is a
here with that
fallen
crap.
in this world?
Yeah, all the names is cool. That's fine. That's fine. Let's get to Rimuru.
Leon.
I mean,
Line.
Slime the
Rimuru.
newbie.
Great
Newbie?
subtitle.
Come
That's
on
his name.
now.
That's his
Yo, we
title.
gotta work on it.
Newbie?
But he's
We're gonna have to
calling
work.
another
just be in the cut. Like,
shot. At least the name.
What is this? I'm not sure.
Definitely gonna have to work
I
on
think
it.
that's
We're not.
He is
We're not doing this. That's disrespectful.
Congratulations.
You know what I keep forgetting? That
No, I'm not
I
gonna
am
like
way
that,
too
am I?
happy over here,
it's
man.
probably some of those first times meeting each other, so her taking that precaution would make sense. I didn't think about that. Like, I don't know none of y'all.
Exciting.
There just happened to be a pattern of 8 stars in the sky. Great.
Oh, God.
Oh,
The
Foot guy. Oh, no, that's not Foot guy.
lot of plots.
Hey, Lapis greatness. Maybe he'll get it eventually though.
Uh-oh.
it's that girl. We haven't seen her since the first
Hinata?
Yes.
Oh
Ooh.
my gosh. Oh.
Yo.
Yeah, Hinata. That's her
You sound like a dead
Never
man.
forget that name. There's so many Hinatas.
for sure. I really do.
No,
need
please,
blood.
Lapis, get out of
Let's see what
there.
happens.
Don't do this. Don't do this. Good. I love Lapis, dude. Lapis, stay running if it's necessary.
She gonna get away or she gonna?
I thought you could
She gonna catch
teleport.
up to him?
I think she can catch up to him.
Oh wow.
Oh my gosh, it's over for him.
What
Oh
the
my
fuck?
goodness, he
Oh,
can't.
The fucking timing, dude. The fucking timing.
Oh, it's the vampire guy.
What?
It's the guy that
Technically,
works
you
for the
showed
Demon Lord.
your face
But
to
he's not
him.
really a Demon Lord.
Yeah, but
That's where they work
people
for
gotta
the
turn
church.
a little bit.
Yeah, but he randomly just showed up there?
Right.
And you gotta rub it in.
Oh, he just told him.
Yeah, he's super dead.
Died.
Hey, yo, Roy, you spitting facts, but like, this is kind of distasteful, man.
Oh,
Oh. Yeah, he's super dead.
Dead as fuck, Lapis. He's dead as fuck.
Well, it's surprising to him.
Oh, dang!
Lapis,
I don't think he was expecting that to hit so hard. Oh my god.
Oh! Whooping his butt!
He was gonna take the plunge because he didn't think it would hurt as much.
For real.
Lapis got hands, dude. I love you, dude.
You're already dead.
You're my woman.
Oh, he ripped his fucking heart out?
Oh, what the fuck? What the hell is going on here?
You're fucked.
You ripped that shit out during the flurry of punches?
Is he the demon lord? Or the curse
yo,
lord,
Lapis
sorry?
is the goat, bro.
Dude,
Lapis
this
is the
guy is
fucking
stronger than
goat.
probably Clayman.
Wow, I'm actually shocked.
oh,
I didn't take Laplace.
Oh.
that's kind of cool. Way to do it.
Right.
I probably should.
Well, that's unfortunate.
Control Alt deleted him.
Footman's gonna be pissed. Tears gonna cry.
That's why I'm laughing.
Oh, he's
That's
crying.
that's
real.
some
That's
crying.
some real shit.
Oh my god, he's
Look,
crying
I
now.
fucking
Yeah,
I
for
despise Clayman, but like
It's like laugh crying.
seeing that reaction from Lapis.
Wait, don't just end there.
They're gonna want to take him.
Well, I guess they're showing a bit of everything that's going on. You're not a demon lord anymore.
All right.
Everybody's back.
The
Oh.
kid.
Oh shit.
Go back to the crib.
I haven't seen this kid in a while.
I love this.
That was legit.
Look at Black.
Ah, yes.
Diablo,
Here we
yeah,
go.
this is
With the presence of a new king.
I
Not yet, but
truly
soon.
believe- You're not seeing more screens.
There goes this
And you're not even gonna. Oh, you have the audacity.
Yeah.
You just gonna show me Yuki reading manga. You're not even gonna give me like a devious smile or some shit, bro. Like
Well, that's one big problem done. We've learned about new
I feel
ones
like
though,
it's
so that's
just
unfortunate.
style.
I'm so tired.
So tired.
You didn't even do nothing.
That was a real one, bro.
The newest thing.
The
Oh
newest, the
my
newest.
God.
He wants the newest
Bro.
manga. Dude is addicted, man.
I mean, when all
Oh,
the
yes,
demon
the
lords are
army.
Oh yeah, we gained
So they brought the skeleton guy.
some skeletons.
When he runs out of dollars to give them.
Look at the whole squad, man. Look at the whole gang. So he's only bold.
Dog niggas, bone niggas. Pig
Nice.
niggas. It's crazy.
Jeez.
What a good season, bro.
Where's the
This
little
shit
fox
is.
gone?
I'm gonna rename this place the United States of Tempest.
That boy Rimuru got everybody, man.
Alright.
But dang, so Millian's not with them. Millian's like with Carry On.
Yeah.
Slime farm.
It's been a while.
Like literally, I was just like, ew. Nice, man. That's how you end something, man.
The main character
Yeah,
right there.
that was years ago.
Just casually how it all began.
This man took his
Yay.
second life and made the best of it.
Okay.
Literally.
He's fucking flying through the air.
A spin-off with
He just lands and dies. He splats. Doesn't recover.
Oh, no move physics.
Bro, so much happened this season, man. It's actually crazy. What a shot.
And I'm
Nice. That's
fly.
Okay.
Movies,
Alright.
bro. I need
Good for you, Rimuru.
That is it for season 2.
Alright.
To be
continued.
continued. Of course. I mean, there was no
Alright,
way.
everybody, that was the
All right,
season
guys,
finale
so
of
that
season 2.
was
That
the
turned
end.
out